2 days ago, I was sitting in my Tesla Model Y and the radio was not working. All stations were gone, the music would not play, and the wheel on the display was turning and turning and turning and turning. In this short video, I'm going to show you what you can do to fix this issue. Welcome to AUSPROBIERT. It's nice having you. Let's not talk too much, but get straight to the issue. Okay, this is what it looks like. You see the wheel that is spinning, but no music is playing. When you go to the radio app, you see the favorite radio stations, but all radio stations in the lower part are gone. What you can still do is connect your phone and listen to some music which is stored on the phone. However, as I already said, the radio is not running. This is annoying, but the good news is that you can fix this problem by yourself. What you have to do is you have to reset your infotainment system, and for that to happen, you have to press the two buttons on your steering wheel, both at the same time for about 20 seconds. Your screen will turn black, and after those 20 seconds, it will light up again and you will see the Tesla logo. Once you see the Tesla logo, you can let go of the two buttons and wait. So let's turn the camera angle. Here it is, the Tesla logo. The infotainment system has rebooted and your radio should be running again. This is it. If this video resolved your problem, leave a like. If you have any further questions, the comment section below is open. Other than that, I hope to see you again one day. Have a good one.